city by the ocean. You can teach the 7th grade. Do you think because you chose to, you always don't move the way you're supposed to? I've been talking outside of the mall through a bunch of what you're supposed to. There's no way you've been talking to certain people. Wonder how long they can last. Pretty sure most people don't think about that. Who the fuck's laughing now? So the city by the ocean. Love smells like hot. Get away. The epic because it's just you. The epic isn't the real epic they are. Never really had a drug days. So you think you're fucking miserable now. But let's have a real fun song. You always.
Fuck.
Is that a 106? 107?
Yeah.
6 seconds.
I don't know if you can see. 1-6.
Jesus Christ.
1-6. Oh shit. Oh, almost threw up.
Wait, was that second done, by the way?
Yes. Oh shit. 1 sig done. Can you see it? Sig done. It's hot. Second sig done.
Was that 9-second improvement?
Oh. I did 2 attempts. I only had 4 beers. I did attempt before this one. World record 115. And another one. Sub 110. That's nice. 11 seconds from the previous world record, the 117, and now a 106. That's pretty good. And yeah, that was it, guys. Another world record. Felt pretty good. I think I can sub 1 minute pretty soon. But yeah, make sure to join the Discord server. I'll leave in the description. Shout out to my boy Max, who always, always with me on my runs. I'm gonna show him. Oh, he's on Discord. He doesn't have his camera on, but yeah. Hello, Max.
What's up, dude?
Yeah. And shout out to my boy Attila. Yeah. Oh, I'm shaking. All the shit that I used. Yes. So, what's up? There's so many people questioning about double smoking and like in all of the runs, and we have a server on Discord. I'm gonna leave like the link in the description. We have all the rules there, but for the people that don't have Discord, just stopped on this video and thought, oh, you could save some time on this and this. Like double smoking is not allowed. Like the main rules are not double smoking. Beers needs to be, I think it's 11 OZ. I guess that's how Americans say it, or like 330 mLs. Cigs, I don't think there's a rule about that. Like you can smoke anything that you want. For example, the runs I do with Camels is a pretty good choice. And this was a big meta also, Winston's. So yeah, the scrambles need to be double CA scrambles. Leave the scrambles in the description, and all the things that you use, like, you know, cubes, it's pretty fun to leave in the description if people want to try it out. The beers, I'm gonna do an attempt with Amstel, and I guess that's it. And there's not too much to bring about it, just the double smoking, because there's a lot of people asking about why you don't do this, why you don't do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I forgot to mention, do everything on camera. Like, you know, open the beers. You know, some people talked about translucent cups. It's pretty good, so people can see what you're putting inside. Now I'm using, you know, glass cups. I was using like iron cups, plastic cups, which was not translucent. But yeah, do everything that on camera in a way that people can see it. Okay.